So what I realized kind of early in this game is I don't really want that massive empire, right? I don't need an
Mm.
18-floor building with Pilon on it, on Pilon Crescent, with fountains in it. Right? I just want that freedom to do what I want when I want, kind of an untroubled
Hmm.
life sort of thing.
Gotcha.
So I view my company as a publishing company, and that's how I treat it. So more than we are a marketing or advertising company, which is kind of a necessity in any company. So every company is
Totally.
marketing and advertising. But what we do best is publish books. And so if you keep that focus, then you're able to remember to work on the stuff that matters. Because everybody in our industry has bright ideas that when you look around and see what everybody's doing, you're like, oh, I want to try that and that. And then you just sit there at your desk, just 18 papers of ideas going on. You're like, I have no idea where to go, right? So focus on publishing, focus on just getting the book out to as many people as possible. And that's sort of the driving factor of the business. And then we drive them into email. We try to communicate well with them in email. So the rule with email is write an email you'd want to read, right? So make sure it's content heavy. And then
I love the
honestly,
way you put that, man.
yeah,
Honestly, seriously, like so many people, like they don't know what to put together. It's like write something that you would actually want to read because other people are
it
actually
came
spending their
for a reason.
time reading it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So even Aesop being perfectly honest, I wrote that for me, right? I was doing my grad work on intermittent fasting because it was something that's interesting to me. So if you remember that these people share at least that one interest with you, then talk to them like that, right? Let them know. So write the way you would want to be written to. And then on the email, you know you have to market and you have to advertise in our industry, right? So the key is market and advertise a way that wouldn't make you angry. So we get to the point where on the content emails, I do content, we do a line, sign off. Your friend Brad, aesopbeat.com, blah, 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 line, and then whatever ad is going on underneath. And you're never going to make everybody happy.
Yeah.
It's a really fair trade, right? We still get people who see that ad and like, that's crazy interesting, I'm going to click it. People who aren't interested in it aren't going to click it. And then every once in a while you get someone who blasts you for sending the ad, but they're always going to be that people. But so if you look at that email, imagine you sent it to you, be like, okay, I just gave you 8 paragraphs of really cool info, a line, and a commercial at the end. Yeah, I'm fine with that. So
yeah.
And that's sort of it's a business of words for us, right? It's books in the email, and then it's just keeping it interesting. And you can go off on tangents with these people, but just got to remember to bring it back to fasting or weight loss at some point.
Gotcha. And what a beautiful market because it's massive.
Pretty recession proof. It proved to be fairly COVID proof. I mean, people, even in March when everything was just going end of the world, people still bought books on weight loss. So
yeah.